my name is Rohit. I am here to debate on the topic morning schools versus evening schools. I will speak in favor of morning school. According to me, the morning schools improve the students' timetable because of the wake up early in the morning.
Whenever there is class or school in the evening, then children study in very fresh mind and don't have a stress.
No, somewhere or the other it may be right, but if we talk about the morning schools is also good because of the mind fresh. Whenever we wake up and early in the morning, our mind fresh and no worry about about things.
When a student is working in the day because of the responsibility provided by his home, then he, then he can only study in the evening, not in the morning, because of the priorities conducted by home.
But it also happened that the morning schools learn to the students manage their times because of early in the morning.
Many students like to study in the night, then they wake up late at the morning, then there's good chance for them to study in the evening.
Yes, it may be happen, but according to me, the morning schools teach the children to accept their difficulties instead of taking rest on the bed in the morning.
There are also many work for the teachers to do in the day, and if there's a class in the evening, then they can easily do their work in the day and can teach the student in the evening.
But being of a student, it's my firm belief that the many students don't have work in the morning, so that is why this is a good time to study in the morning, to go to school in the morning schools, and after coming to the schools we have a lot of work, so that is why we can't study.
Since there are not many classes are conducted in the evening, then if a school is conducting the class in the evening, then there is a peace and good environment for the student to study in the school.
But as long as it's my firm belief that the many students study about the many lessons in the morning, so that is why after the study about the lessons they took the academies and coachings after coming to school in the evenings.
If the class will be in the evening, then the children's mind will be fresh and their body will be warmed up by doing the work in the day, and in the evening they can study without any stress.
But it also happened that the morning schools improves the focus on the children because of it is seen that the many students are found that they are focused on study in the morning.
Many students don't like to study in the morning because they are not habitual of wake up early in the morning. That's why they like to study in the evening. Then there's a better chance for them to study in the evening.
But when they are in the childs, so that's why their responsibility to the study in the morning because of the no work. They have no work, so that is why this is a good time.
There are a lot of parents who do their job in the morning and cannot spend the time with his children and cannot send him to the school. Then if the class will be remain in the evening, then the parents can easily send their student to the school in the evening.
It happens somewhere or the other. I had mothers because of the mothers also have a lot of work in the daytime, so that is why they can't care about their kids, so that is why they send to their kids in the morning school.
If their kids is not habitual of early in the morning and he like to study in the evening because his mind is when required more relaxation time, so he can easily study in the evening.
But somewhere in today's scenario, it happens that the after napping almost 8 to 9 hours, if there is no morning school, so many students addicted to wake up not early in the morning, so that is why their mind get distracted to the wrong things.
Since there are more traffic in the morning compared than the evening, then children do not go late for the school if the school will be in the evening.
as long as it my firm belief that it's the responsibility to the kids, and it happens in the where there are many crowds, their parents responsibility to send their kids children to the schools.
Since we know that most of the parents are do their work in the morning and go to their office, and the mother also take care of his home, then how can the parents send their children to the school in the morning?
Whenever as long as I know, it happens many times because of the many people many fathers carry their kids to the schools when they go to the office.
But when their father has a lot of work and don't have time to send their children to the school in the morning and cannot go with him, then it is difficult for them to send and after that continue their work.
It happens rarely case because of the it is sometimes it happens they have a lot of work, so that is why they can't carry their students to the schools, but it doesn't happen every day.
If they want that they are available to send a student to the school in the morning, but because of the traffic they are not able to send their children to the school in the morning, then it is better for the student to study in the evening compared than the evening.
But according to me, since in the childhood the mostly students every students go to the morning schools, that is why in the childhood the morning schools are better for the kids and teenagers.
Since we know that every school like to conducted in the morning, but there are some school which is conducted in the evening, then there are no more children. If there is no more children, then there is no more extra sound which can make a student study better in the evening.
Yes, you may be right here, but if we talk about the areas, then in our India there are less areas where the evening schools are available. Like in the towns and the villages, the evening schools are not available, and the only morning schools are available.
Yes, if there is less schools are available which is conducted in the evening, then there is no extra sound and there is more focus for the student to study in the evening, and they can easily focus on their study in the evening compared than the morning.
I think the evening schools are made for the students who are suffering from the high schools and the degrees, not for the small kids and teenagers. So that is why somewhere or the other it's not beneficial for the teenagers.